Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background of images using Photopea. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, so what you do, go over to photopea.com. You can find the link of this website within the description of this video. And once you're here, guys, you will be taken into this online photo editor here. And you can easily go ahead and click open from computer, or you can easily drag and drop the image that you want to remove the background for. Now I have a bunch of pictures on my computer here, and I'm going to simply drag one here, and this is a picture here of my son, so I'm just dragging it here, and as you can see, the picture is loaded within seconds. Now you need to ensure that you select the background here, and these are the different layers. As you can see, you have layers, channels, and paths, so ensure that layers is selected, as you can see, and from here you can just select the background. Now, once you select the background, go ahead and click and select from the menu options here at the top. Then you want to click on remove BG. And once you do that, you'll get the option to click OK. And you might need to wait a few seconds depending if you get some advertisements or not. You can simply close it, and within seconds, you will see that the background is removed. Right? Now, all you have to do from now is just simply click on File on the upper left hand side, and then you want to go ahead and click on export, and you can export this within multiple options as well. As you see here, you can do it for PNG, for example, and it will easily go ahead, and once you select that, it will go ahead and export that picture that you want within PNG. As you see here, you have a pop-up here that says save for web. You can go ahead and you can make some adjustments here, and all you have to do is just click and save, and it will easily download to your computer. You know, it downloaded already. I'm going to open it so that you can see that the picture background is now removed, right? And the original picture here I'm going to show you is this one here with the background. And this is how you can easily go ahead and remove the background of images using Photopea. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.